Hi, She. Good morning, She. Hi, it's wonderful to see you again. It's been a long time. How are you, She?
I'm fine, thank you. And
Okay,
you?
that is good. I'm happy as well, She. I'm feeling great. What did you do before our class? Did you learn?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you did. What about after this? Do you have any plans? What will you do after our class? Or in the afternoon, She?
I go to Vietnamese class.
Oh, you have Vietnamese class. Is Vietnamese subject easy, She?
Yes.
Oh, yes, it is. That's good to know. Okay, so now let me share my screen, She, and we will continue with our discussion. Okay, for a moment, we are already in lesson 23. Okay, so we have here describing words or what we call the adjectives. She, okay, so exercise one, look and listen. Okay, so you will be Maya and I will be Alex. Okay, can you start the conversation? She,
Do you want to watch the new superhero movie with me?
but it's 3 hours long. That's too long for me.
Oh, come on. Sarah said it's really good.
Okay, very good. What about you, She? Do you like watching movies?
Yes.
Oh, yes,
I
you do.
like
What's your favorite movie?
my favorite movie is Doraemon.
Oh, Doraemon, I see. What about some Disney movies? She, have you watched Luca? Have you watched it? Luca or maybe Tinkerbell, Barbie. Have you watched it? She? Oh,
I,
it's this one.
I
Have
don't
you
know.
watched it? No. Okay, you only watch Doraemon. I see. That is okay, she. Now, can you tell me why do you like Doraemon? What is that? Why do you like Doraemon?
Uh, uh, Doraemon, it Doraemon have some things funny.
Okay. I see. That is why. Yes, most of my students they watch Doraemon or Conan and as well as Naruto.
I like Conan too.
Oh, you like Conan too. Wow. I see. So you are really into watching it. Now, we have here this one. What is it?
This is a
It's a,
small mouse.
yes, it
Small
is a
mouse.
mouse. Yeah, a small mouse. Are you scared of mouse? Are you scared of mouse?
Uh, I yes, because I like hamster.
Oh, you like hamster. Do you have hamster? Do you have a hamster?
No,
Oh
my
no.
friend have no. My friend go to class with her
Hamster.
her yeah.
Oh no. And is that allowed? Is it okay to bring pets at school?
Uh, it's oh God.
Oh, it's okay to bring pets at school. What about you? Do you have pets?
Mm, Uh, yes, I have one dog in in my grandfather grandfather's house because
Okay. Because?
because it because it died.
Oh, okay. It's dead now. That is okay. Maybe when you're older, you can get another dog. Do you like dogs?
Yes.
What about in your house? What animal do you have?
Uh, af- after after grandfather's dog, I don't have animal.
Oh, okay. I see. Thank you for that, She. Okay. Oh, and in here we have this picture. It's ah, what is it?
This is a big elephant.
Okay, yes, very good. Have you seen an elephant, Chi, in real life?
Yes.
Did you go to the
He
zoo?
mm, yes.
Huh?
Go
I
I
went.
go to zoo in uh, at I 5
When you were 5 years
I
old.
I I seven I 7 years old.
Okay. What animals did you see there?
I see
I saw.
an an elephant, a giraffe, and mm, so many animals.
Oh, a lot of animals. I see. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
Oh, it's dog. I thought you would say
Dog,
panda. Panda,
panda.
she? Yeah. Do you like pandas? They're cute, right?
Yes,
What about a
they're
capybara? Have you
cute.
seen a capybara?
Yes, I see in in Boy RCT.
Are they cute, she?
They so cute.
Oh, they're so cute. But if they are big, they look like a big mouse, right?
Yes.
They look like a big mouse when they are older. But when you see a baby capybara, it's really cute.
uh,
Ah, okay. Now next one, do you know what this is?
this is old Tom.
Yes,
Oh,
it is an old telephone. This is what they used before to call someone. Okay, so it's what we call telephone. Do you have this one? Do you have it or no?
no.
Oh, no, you don't. Okay, so during your grandparents' time, when they were young, they have this one. This is what they use. Now, next one, what is it?
Is new phone.
Yes, it's a new phone. Do you have a phone?
No, I have um
iPad?
I yes, iPad because mm, it's in my father's text.
Oh, okay. I see. Good thing, she. And you also have a computer, right?
This I study at father's computer.
Oh, using your dad's computer. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is her hair like?
Uh, her, she has a short hair.
Okay, yes, very good. That is right. She. Now, what about her? What is her hair like?
She she has a long hair.
Very good. Okay, now let us have this one. She exercise 3. Answer the questions. Is he big or small? Look at the arrow.
He's small.
Okay, yes, very good. Is it new or old?
It is new.
Okay, yes, it is new. Is it long or short?
Uh, is short.
Okay, very good. She. Now let us have this one, exercise 4. Listen and repeat. Okay, so we have here slow. What does it mean when we say slow? She. Slow. It's slow. What does it
Oh,
mean? It means, do you know slow?
yes, it's not fast.
Okay, yes, it's not fast. Okay, it moves with a low speed. Okay, just that is right. She. Now, next one, what about this? Oh,
It's fast.
okay.
It's
What?
fast car.
Yes, it's a fast car. Do you have a car? She.
Yes, my family has one car.
Oh, one car. Okay, nice. And you will be driving it soon, she. Now, next one, it's light.
It's light.
Do you know light, she?
Yes.
Okay, yes, it means it is not heavy, just like this one. What do you call it? It's, do you know? Feather. Feather. Feather, she. Yes,
Feather.
yes, it's a feather. Okay, wait, let me translate it for you.
Lông vũ,
Okay, so that is feather. It's light. Now, what about this one?
It, it is heavy.
Yes. Do you know what it's for, she? What is it for?
Yes.
We use it
Oh,
when
I
exercising. When exercising,
oh,
right?
don't know in English. I don't know in
Uh,
English.
We use it when exercising.
chúng ta sử dụng nó khi tập thể dục.
Okay. See, in here, she eats 50 kilograms. It's really heavy. She, very heavy. Now, next one. Oh, okay. So, just still the same as the previous exercise. Can you tell me Is it fast or slow?
Is slow.
Very good. Now, next one. Is it heavy or light?
Is heavy.
Is it fast or slow?
Is fast.
Okay, very good. Is it heavy or light?
Is light.
Okay, very good. Now, let us have this one. She. Okay, so can you tell me what? Okay, wait. Okay, now can you describe this one? She. It's.
This
Can you
this
describe it?
is this is a new plane.
Okay, yes, it's new and fast, right? So the words that we can use here it's new and fast. Okay, now what about here? She,
Here
he is.
the, he he is old.
Very good, he is old. Now what about this girl?
She has a short hair.
Very good. Now what about the television right here? She.
This is a new TV.
Okay, very good. A new TV. Now, next one, exercise 7, choose the opposite. Okay, so now can you tell me, what's this? What word describes her hair?
Her her hair is long.
Okay, what is the opposite of long?
Is short.
Very good, it's short. Now, what about this one? What is it?
This is a new phone.
Very good. What is the opposite of new? She?
It's old.
Okay, very good. Okay, now what about this one?
Uh,
It's
it's heavy.
yes, it is heavy. She. Okay, and what is the opposite of heavy?
It's light.
Okay, very good. Light. Okay, now what about the elephant?
Elephant is heavy and big.
Okay, yes, it is. Big. What is the opposite of big?
It's small.
Very good. She. Now the last one.
This is a slow car.
Okay, very good. Slow. Now what is the opposite of
Slow
slow?
car.
What is the opposite of slow,
It's
she?
fast.
Okay, very good. It's fast.
It's
Well
fast.
done, she. Okay, so that is it for this one. Okay, now let us have this. Okay, I want you to spot the differences, she. So there are four
Okay.
differences in total. Four differences.
Is picture
Mm-hmm. You can use your pen, she. In the first picture.
in first picture in picture is fast car, and in picture 2 is slow car.
Okay, very good. Next one.
is what is in English?
Trophy. Trophy.
Trophy.
Yeah.
In picture one, this trophy is small. And picture two, trophy is big.
Okay, very good, she.
And in picture one, she has a long hair.
Okay, that's right.
And picture two, she has a short hair.
Very good, she.
And
Okay, next one.
in picture one, on the table,
On the counter. Counter, she. On the counter. What is it?
in picture two is telephone.
Okay, yes, we have an old telephone, but in the first picture, we have a heavy kettlebell. They call it kettle bell. She kettlebell. Wait, let me write it for you. Kettle bell. Okay, so yes, that's all the differences we can find in this one. Thank you. Okay, so now we'll proceed to 24. But can you tell me first, what word can you use to describe your mom? How would you describe your mom? My mom is my mom is
Can you translate to Vietnamese?
okay. Can you describe your mom?
Bạn có thể miêu tả mẹ của mình không?
My mom is tall. She has a short hair and she has a big eyes.
Oh, okay. Black eyes too, right? Black eyes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what about your dad?
My dad has a short black hair. He he's tall and he has he has small eyes.
Oh,
Black
okay.
eyes.
Okay, I see. Thank you, she. What about you? Can you describe yourself?
I have a long hair. I shot than my friend, and I I have um, mm,
You
a
have?
small eye.
Okay, I see. Thank you so much for that, she. Okay, so well done. Now, I believe that is all it for our class today, she. So, next meeting, which is on
And
Wednesday.
teacher,
Yes?
you do you know Danang City in Vietnam?
Yes. Yes. Why?
I I in Sunday I can't study with you because I in Danang City.
Oh, you went to Danang. I see. Well, Danang is really beautiful, she, and I have lots of students from Danang as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you enjoy your time in Danang?
Yes.
Okay, that is good to know, she. Thank you for sharing it, she. Okay. So I'll see you again on Wednesday. Thank you. Goodbye, she.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.